Struggling to keep your garden rocks in place? Don't worry. Rock Glue Max is here to save the day. Before we get started, let's cover some of the important points that you will need to know to make sure that Rock Glue Max is properly working for you. Our adhesive will not properly hold if rocks are still wet, so make sure that they're completely dry first, and also temperature must not be below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Rock Glue Max offers two easy application methods: pour and mix or mix and spray. If you have an area prone to high foot traffic, we recommend the pour and mix method. To get started, use a large bucket or container to mix your pea gravel or stones. Pour Rock Glue Max directly onto your rocks undiluted. Mix Rock Glue Max and your rocks thoroughly with a power drill mixer attachment or with your hands using gloves. Lastly, pour your rock mixture onto your landscape and smooth the rocks using a trowel for the best results, or your hands. If you're working with ornamental rocks that receive little to no foot traffic, the mix and spray method is perfect for you. Follow the mix ratio chart located at the back of the label to mix the Rock Glue Max with water into a garden sprayer. After mixing it well, spray the mixture onto the surface of your dry rocks, ensuring that you're thoroughly covering and saturating the area. After applying the first coat, rake or turn the rocks. We recommend 2 to 3 coats for maximum effectiveness. It will take 48 to 72 hours for rock glue to fully cure and be effective. And lastly, always remember to thoroughly clean your applicator before and after each use. Failing to properly clean your sprayer can cause it to stop working. And there you have it. With Rock Glue Max, achieving a strong and lasting bond for your rocks has never been easier.